What are you looking for? A city to explore? Then welcome to a place where stories unfold. A tale of resilience, both brave and bold. Historical sites are remnants of a long journey that reflect wisdom, strength, and glory. After surviving a disaster, this city has become a living proof of hope, faith, humanity, and solidarity. Diversity creates a symphony that shapes its identity and strengthens unity. Witness the beauty of a city by the sea, where everything blends in harmony. Throw away your anxiety and find your own tranquility. When the ocean meets the shore, the soul is restored. From the beach that shimmers in the sunlight, discover its beautiful sights. As the sun goes down and the stars begin to glow, let the good times flow. And as the night goes on, the memories linger on. The rich recipe creates a delicacy and a uniqueness in its culinary. You have plenty of options, so you don't need to worry about finding the right accommodations. And when you wake up in the morning, a place for your training will be waiting. But if you just want to enjoy the fresh air, the city park is always there. Every place serves the best coffee, and its extraordinary taste is well known globally. And look for their artistry through souvenirs made with love and creativity. From fishing to boat riding, every new experience is amazing. The beauty of this city is a reality that will lead you to new discoveries. So, what are you waiting for? In Banda Aceh, you'll always discover so much more.